Peace. We're taking some sea moss today in the rising. A scoop of sea moss a day keeps the doctor away. It tastes slightly like the sea, but it's not a strong taste. Sea moss practically tastes like nothing. But it has 92 out of the 120 minerals that our body needs. So it has a lot of minerals. And you know, the soil is mineral deficient right now, especially in America, because of monocropping. So we have to get our minerals from vitamins. That's why a lot of people take vitamins. I don't take vitamins anymore. I used to take vitamins, and I did see a difference within my energy, but some brands of vitamins, you really don't know exactly what they're putting in their vitamins. They're kind of just like mixing up a whole bunch of fruits and vegetables, and sometimes those fruits and vegetables and other components don't actually mix well in your body. So I'd rather take my vitamins and my minerals from sea moss, which is basically seaweed that they're getting and harvesting from the sea. In places like the islands, like Trinidad, they had a lot of sea moss in Trinidad. In the Caribbean, you know, all the islands, they don't have as much pollution in the water. I would hope not. But they harvest this sea moss from there, ship it to the US, and now we have sea moss, and now we can nourish our body and our mind and our spirits with this sea moss. And that's what I'm doing today. I've seen a difference within my energy. I've seen a difference within my skin, my hair, my vitality overall. I really like sea moss. I like incorporating it in my diet. And I'm also sipping on some honey chai. What? The honey chai is hitting. Oh my God, love it. I'm drinking it up. I put a little bit of ghee that I made in here, and it is like heaven in a cup. Oh my gosh, absolutely a fave in this household. But I have a really exciting day today, and I thought I'd share this journey with you. Going to the beach with my dad and Phoebe. This is gonna be a little adventure. I'm gonna go get some water. I've been getting water from the spring. Red Rock Spring in Marin. In between Marin and Stinson Beach, there's a natural spring of water where you can go and get free water, live water, free live water. And I've been going, shout out to Desiree, shout out to Gonda, because they really put me on to going and getting free live water for the health of your body. That's what Virgos do. Virgo placements, I feel like they always elevate me in a lot of ways. They elevate my mindset to think about different ways that I relate to my body and how I'm nourishing my body. And so that's, my Virgo sisters. Virgo sisters have helped me to think about my water source and the components that are in the water in my refrigerator. I need to change the filter, number one, but also the water is so treated in the city. You know, they put a lot of things in the water. That's why you need a water filter. But I'd rather just drink water from the source, from the mountain. And so that's what I'm gonna go get. Just get the water from the mountain. I'm really happy. I do feel like I don't know, I actually need to pay more attention to how I feel now that I have been getting water from the mountain and from the spring. Like, does my body feel different? I'm not exactly sure, but I'll let you know in the future. But I am very happy about this chai. Happy that I've taken my sea moss, nourished our body. We are also gonna eat some fruit this rising. I have some kiwi, so I'm gonna eat some kiwi. Probably 2 little kiwis. I love kiwis. They're not my favorite fruit, but they're good. Sometimes they could be a bit sour to me. They're not that ripe, and that's the reason why they might be a little sour. But yeah, I'm probably still gonna eat them. Eat a bit of kiwi and then get dressed and then go to the beach. I'm packing up to go to the beach, and I'm bringing my moon harp. This is my new instrument that I'm learning how to play. I'm really excited about it because I feel like it's easier to play and learn than the guitar. And I'm still learning how to play the guitar. So I feel like this is gonna be a great first step before learning how to actually do chords on the guitar. This will just be easy for my fingers to practice and strum, like practicing the strumming, and yeah. So I'm excited. I'm excited to learn on this moon harp. And I'm gonna pack up my bag, the water. It's 11:11 on the clock. Angels are with us. Yay. Okay, I have packed my jacket, my water, a book. I have a bag packed with some extra pants and a little scrunchie and some essentials, my moon harp, and yeah, I'm ready. I live in Northern California, so it's important to bring a jacket and an extra pair of pants to the beach because it's cold. But today is a really nice day. It's like 64 degrees, I think. Let me check. I just checked. I just checked. And why is it exactly 64 degrees? That accuracy. I'm tuned in to the atmosphere. Okay, peace. I'm leaving. Fit check. shoopies. You need that.
Oh, I see that. Good right here.
Go for it. What's wrong with us, baby? I feel like it's really important. That's nutritional. About what I think. Thank you, water, for nourishing us. Steady flow. That's right. I live for little adventures like these. I do feel like this is my Sag nature. I love adventuring. Like, it's fun. I feel like we always learn something new about ourselves when we travel. Even small distances, like this drive only took us an hour to get to, but throughout that hour we talked about so much. So many downloads, so many connections were made, so much clarity was found, and I truly live for little adventures with my tribe and my community. I think that is a part of the reason why I came here. A part of my purpose is to adventure and explore. That is my Sagittarius nature. I am a Sag. So like, my nature is to just explore my inner world and the world around me. And I always find something new. Like, I've been to this beach more times than I can count at the moment. But this time around, I feel like I discovered a new path to get to the beach, like that I've never been through, and we discovered different parts of ourselves on this little trip. So it's always fun to journey.
Cheetah girls on the beach.
Perfect together. We are perfect together.
We are. Sis, love y'all.
Oh, we're pound.
Pound.
Boom. Boom. Shakalaka. Boom.
Boom, boom.
But y'all would really like the show. That's why.
It's called 100 Years Ago. Oh, okay.
And that concludes the end of this journey, folks. Yeah. I am loving the process of vlogging and documenting my life. I've always wanted to do this, and this is the beginning. So yeah, stay tuned. There's so much in store. I've been so excited about life lately. There's so much to look forward to.